Yeah. So ready for the mixing now. What right now we just have finished talk to we just talk to Raven just now. Yeah? And Mega just call. Just now. Yeah? Culture blend. Yeah. So them just want to get to the fullness of the thing. And you know, that's over with that thing here and done because the sound have to move on still, you know. What go on, Mega?
Yo, bless up everybody. Bless it the whole Winsome Radio and bless up everyone. This is Mega in the Vice, you know?
Yes, man.
And before we start anything, I just want to give a respect and big up to King Road. See? If you hear about him, you will know about him. But I just want to give a straight big up to King Road. See?
Yes, I.
And right now, I want to big up my team members, them.
Mm-hmm.
Links, bigger vibes. You understand, out of New Jersey. I want to big up the Vibes Master, one of my engineer that hold on the sound system, you know. So bigger vibes and links, big up on yourself. See? And most of all, I just want to big up Father God for helping us to reach this far, because as you know, this sound is a hard working sound, and we put a lot of energy, a lot of work into the sound, and a lot of love, passion for the music industry. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So may I have to just tell everybody, say, Culture Blend is here to stay. We're not going nowhere. You know?
Okay. So tell me how they start though, and how we start the career. Yes.
I'm gonna give it's a long drawn out story, but I have to make sure everyone follow me, and I will try the best.
Yeah.
To be as clear as I can. Right now I'm a little under the weather, but I'm still gonna try to explain it to everyone so they can understand what's going on. See?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Initially, with the whole sound system, Culture Blend, when we build Culture Blend, I want everybody to understand the reason why it's called Culture Blend. When we first came to America, I came to America in 1992. See?
Mm-hmm.
When we first built Culture Blend was in 1995. See? And the reason why it's called Culture Blend is because I was in a school predominantly with mostly white people. Mm-hmm. And we had something called diversity days at the school where you have Indians, you have people from the Caribbean, can bring some food like a potluck. Mm-hmm. And we used to try to share our culture to the Americans and the white people and stuff like that. See, Raven would not be able to tell you this because he's not, you know, he don't, you know, he came on the sound later on, but he doesn't know the history before he was on the sound, because when I added Raven to the sound at that time, Raven never really too much know that Culture Blend was fully active in Piscataway, New Jersey. So let me explain this, the whole Culture Blend thing. The reason why it's called Culture Blend is because we had initially our original member, we had a radio show in Piscataway, New Jersey, and we used to come on and play reggae music and soca music for the people to let them understand, you know, our culture. And Diversity Day it keep once a year in Piscataway High School, and we used to be on the radio station. We used to keep private parties as little kids. I was only like 15 years old at the time. And we used to call ourselves Culture Blend, the original Culture Blend from 1995.
Oh, and that was a radio show. You used to have radio show. You play the music itself.
It used to be a radio show, and also we used to keep private parties. Okay. Like basement parties. You know, we're kids.
Oh, so at kids' age, we just want to make it clear. You did have the physical sound itself, you never build it yet or you build it already?
No, the sound system, the sound system, like the machine and all that stuff, was not built at the time. But we started the sound as a radio station program. Right? You understand?
Yes, man. Yeah, listen, yeah.
All right. So, and you know, that's the whole thing behind Culture Blend, where we can get the Jamaicans, we can get the Trinidadians, the Bajans, the Guyanese, all of we can come together as a culture blend, and we can share our music to the world and let them know reggae music is. That's the whole thing behind it. That's why it's called Culture Blend.
Yeah.
So when Rayvon came to the country, now Rayvon was playing Supersonics. I'm sorry, I'll take that back. He was playing Sweet Sensation. All right. When Rayvon built a song called he built a song called Sweet Sensation. See? And at the time, Shaggy was not even in the country at the time. Shaggy came in the country maybe in late 1995, 96. And I know Rayvon from high school in Irvington High School, New Jersey. And before I left Irvington, because I was going to school to Irvington High School before I went to Piscataway High. But we were still friends. But at the time, Rayvon was playing Sweet Sensation. See? This is the history. This is the real history. And then while I was doing my culture blend thing, I used to link Rayvon on the ends of Irvington. We used to, because we was friends. So Rayvon approached me one day and said, well, before all of that, after Sweet Sensation, him give up and him start play a song called Supersonics. If you listen to Rayvon live, if you go back in his page, way back then, you're going to see that he's on Supersonics. He was a selector of Supersonics back in 96, 97. That's why he cannot come for those years, because he used to play Supersonics. But Culture Blend was already there. See? No, the thing now is that Rayvon came on the sound right before I left to go off on a deployment, because I was in the military, and they called me up and then tell me I have to go on a deploy to go fight the Desert Storm, if you remember Desert Storm.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Yes. So when that happened, I asked, Rayvon was going through something with Supersonics, and I told him, like, since we're friends and I've been doing this, why don't we come together and push the sound? And him agree and everything like that, and everything was cool. So I turned in my records and my equipment, my turntables, everything, because I was going to war. So I give him it to go and hold on for go play and move.
All right, so me could just clear the ear, because you have two of these war. The later war, that is what, 2001 Desert Storm?
No, it started in 1996.
Yeah.
To 2000, it ended, and then 2000. It started back a little bit and then ended again. But
yeah, it started back look after that. So 2 time, right?
Yeah, 2 time. But we're talking about when I had to go away in 1998.
Okay.
All right,
okay.
in 98. Remember, the troops and them have a little more insight of the war than the regular people. So the military is gonna start pushing the troops from early.
Oh.
You understand? And gearing them up to go fight before even the war even fully, That's how the military run. But anyway, this is the facts. So Rayvon was playing the song. I went away, and I was going through my schooling, everything like that. My, certain type of defense and tactics and stuff like that. But Rayvon, I came back one time, I believe, after when we finished school in 1999. And, you know, me and Raven, we're friends and we're talking and we're playing the song and everything like that in 99. I was only there for like on leave because after you finish school, you go on leave. You can go back home and spend time with your family and then you go back out again. But at that time, you know, me and Raven, you know, him make me hear the dubs in Vice, because in Vice dubs and things like that, which was good. And, you know, at the time, Raven was doing good and Ray Tete. So, kind of fast forward now. And I want everybody to know this. And it's no disrespect to Raven or any kind of way. The thing is, people need to know that the true ownership of the sound, because the reason why is it wasn't a big deal, it wasn't a problem. But, you know, fast forward to the future, Raven went on the radio and him tell people, say, I'm a fraud, I'm not real, and I'm just a selector and I do not play Culture Blend anymore. And from this is when we had a serious problem, because I never brought this to social media. I'm not a social media person. I don't like too much talk. I don't do too much talking. I don't like explaining. But Raven went on social media, and it was very hurtful to see somebody that I know, that I grew up with from a long time, for see these things after him know for the fact that credibility goes with the sound. It goes, yes, I'll give Raven credit for what he's doing, but at the end of the day, I created the sound and I put in my work just like how he put in his work. At least, brethren, him cannot come and say something positive, because...
So tell me something now. I'm not cut you, but why him just go on the radio and just say that? What you got off that?
Okay,
I'm just going to say something like that?
Let me tell you what really did that one. Because Raven tells some certain lies and mix up everything, and that's not right. You don't do that. You have to be fair. What really did that go on is that I guess Raven had he wanted to do his thing. He wanted to do his own thing. You know what I'm saying? But he never really wanted to tell me that. And the thing is, he told, well, I keep dances also, right? And because I'm trying to be as clean as possible, because I don't want to say the wrong thing. But the thing is, Raven, he did not like I was keeping a dance with someone. He didn't like the situation with me putting the girl as the head front with Culture Blending because of her sexual preference or whatever. You understand? And me personally, whatever people do behind their personal life, me no business about that. I don't, you know what I mean? Business is business. I deal with people business. That's, you know, people personal life, I don't really, you know, dig in unless it's affecting my business. You understand? But anyway, so me and Raven had an argument about that. And because of that, we stopped talk for maybe a good 8 to 9 months. And so I guess Raven was trying to find a way to cut me out of the zone or whatever he wanted to do. What he did was he took a personal situation, which he knows, like, because I used to talk to Raven as a good friend. He knows the situation, what I was going through at the time. And he used my situation now to tell the world, say, the reason why we have a problem is because of this situation, which had nothing to do with the situation. If you understand, if you follow me.
Yeah, man, I follow you, man. I understand clearly, yes.
So he used that situation to try to separate it from me, which is like messed up, because that was a personal situation I was going through in my yard, and he's the one who bring it a rude. He walk and talk and tell everybody certain things about me in New Jersey. I couldn't believe, because the thing is that me and Raven used to talk on a regular basis, and we was good friends. I can't believe my friend turned around and stabbed me in my back. I walk and talk and tell people things about me.
And the same people come and tell you back. Says
and the same people come and tell me back.
But
and the same people, you see people in New Jersey, they
go back and tell him things. So you and Raven for what's this now? You have Ulf amongst you people. I'm a good friend from back there, so I want to follow with people. Right. Sometimes when I feel linking and don't just get vexed. You have to smarter than that still, you know.
When Raven did the first interview and diss me the worst way, because remember what he said affected my business also, affected my credibility, affected, what me I tried to do. Because it went on the radio and tell people, say, I am not culture blend, I'm a fraud. And I'm just a selector, which he know that's wrong. You shouldn't do that. You understand? I would never do that to Raven. Never. I always give Raven his credit to what he done. Because, yes, Raven did a lot. You understand? If you listen to any of my order, I always say big up Raven and Tate. You understand? Me big him up. And the thing is that what he did was, what he did was kind of messed up, because the way how I look at it, he was basically trying to cut me out of the picture. No, initially, with the sound thing now, I was saying, Raven do his thing, Mega do his thing, because that's the understanding that I had initially. So if Raven get a booking and him do a thing and then say, all right, culture blend, me and myself would have said, my son I play, and not me play, but me I big it up same way, because culture blend I one sound. I'm happy to see culture blend a road. You understand? Me not stop him thing, but when him come on the internet now, he must stop my thing.
Oh, so you see, that's what me I say, when I stop. Listen what me I tell you now again. You see, the whole of them thing with people, I go back and forth to do no name to each other. I want our brethren enough smarter than that. People try that with me too, With me and my brethren too, And we go through that because we see them, we know them kind of people. They want to be smarter than that. Care for that cause the problem. You have to put something between that, Yeah, man.
Real quick. Me even get set up by him too. Him set me up in a wicked, Jesus Christ set me up wicked. I'm expose this. Make everybody know. You understand? No, we had a clash with Twin Tower. See? One of the biggest clash in New Jersey. Culture Blend versus Twin Tower. We work hard for that clash there.
Twin Tower from where? From
New Jersey. Big up Twin Tower, man. Yeah, Father Rob. Jinx. Big up Jinx.
Yeah, man.
See? And we had that clash there. We work hard for that clash there. See? I start voice whole heap of songs. Alright? I voice a whole lot of songs for that clash there. See? And the thing is that, if you heard my wife talk about it, I don't want to go too much in details about it, but King Road was an investor on the sound. And the thing is, King Road, him and Raven had his falling out, and I used to talk to Raven about King Road. I want to know what his status. But I used to kind of stay out of it because I know Raven was dealing with that part there, so I never really step into it. Well, all Raven used to tell me, say, him want to deal with, he want to voice some tune and stuff, and so we kind of just load them and make them build a relationship or whatever. So what happened now, Raven was collecting my songs then. When my voice a whole heap, I spend money. You understand? And Raven collect money now for culture blend, not Raven, It's for culture blend because King Road invests in a culture blend. So when you say culture blend now, you have to say Mega, Raven, Shaggy. Everybody know that. See? So when the man invests into culture blend now, Raven.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, make him come back and finish talk. Let's get to the bottom of that thing, and too much he say, she say, and clear up the hair, I have to get the hair clear. You understand? It's that thing, but we have to get the hair clear. Because, someone get up on go on with the thing, you know, all about the sound in a them time, yeah. See me I say? Gone a long time. Soon ring me back. Keep ring me back, yeah? Yeah, man. See me I say? So I feel just keep it, you know, alright. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we get cut off.
Yeah, no. Just see that. Yeah, man.
Mr. Live?
You're live, man. We're still the live, man.
Okay, all right. So let me tell you the story now. So Raven went to Jamaica with Raven went with, a hefty amount of money, cash money. No checks, no credit card. He went to Jamaica with cash money because the man gave Raven money for Culture Blend for Vice Tune. So at the time, because, you know, I talked to King Road and him tell me everything. And so I'm just telling you what I learned now. But them time there, I didn't understand what was going on. But I'm talking in what I learned. So I hope you follow me. The thing is, Raven, King Road was asking Raven about Mega. Okay, what's going on? What's going to happen with Mega and Ray Ray? Remember, Raven keep me and King Road separate, you know. I in my eyes, when Raven deal with King Road, you know, I know that Raven is getting songs on, you know, Ray Ray Tete, but I never really talked to King Road and them time there, you know, because they had a relationship and I didn't really get involved in them relationship. And when we get to find out, said the reason why it was like that, you know, Raven was keeping us from really kind of talking, because if me and King Road start talk, I will understand what was really going on. So what he did was he took the man money for Culture Blend, go Jamaica, voice up a whole lot of songs. Take mine, don't put my name in the songs. Saying erase my name, because I guess he had a plan, because he was planning on separating, if you understand what I mean. He was planning on separating himself before. So that this was part of his plan, where he can voice songs and take my name out of it. So when I find out, I get a couple of calls from studios all in Jamaica, because, you know, I'm linked to a lot of studios, and because over the years, and people are calling me and tell me, say, oh, me, I voice songs, and me, I go around them, and re-rate it. I had no clue what they was talking about. So what they was talking about is Raven was voicing tune for Culture Blend, but he did not, you know, he didn't include me in the songs. Or he didn't include me with the deal what he had with King Road. All right? So, at the time when I didn't know about it, I found out Raven was in Jamaica. I called him. I said, Raven, you in Jamaica? He said, yes. I said, what are you doing in Jamaica? He said, well, I'm just going to go voice a couple of songs and stuff like that. I said, oh, so how come you never tell me? I would have given you extra money, you know, to voice more songs, because I'm voicing songs. He knows that. You said, no, he's good. So I said, okay. But that time, when we get to find out later on, Raven had money from King Road, and he was voicing a whole lot of songs. Okay, so him came back from Jamaica now, and me I prepare for the clash. I'm mix up a whole lot of songs. Give it to Raven and stuff, and we kind of go through what we have. But Raven never revealed to me what he had at them time there. No, I hope you understand that. So the night of the clash now, Raven tell me, say, Mega, you should use your computer. I should use his computer, because his computer is more compact and it's newer and whatever. So I say, yeah, you know what, you're right. Maybe we just use your computer then. But we just have a laugh. The reason why the man had me use his computer, because he had the songs that he voiced with King Road on his laptop, but I never had them. So I'm in a clash now. I play the songs that we know and go through the routine. I mean, just see the whole thing just kind of changed. So I was off. If you watch, we have clippings. We have clippings of that video of that clash. I was just off the reason why I was off is because there was a whole lot of new songs in there that I had no clue. That I never heard them before. I'm like, where all these songs come from? And these are not no regular songs. They're money songs. You understand? On top of what we had. So that's what. And then, you know, remember at the time I never know what really did happen to me. But a week later, even contact me from that club. So I said, Mega, you know, say you cannot be playing like how you play at the King. You know, we just have an internal discussion.
Yeah.
And he was telling me that, you know, I wasn't playing too confident and really, I can't mix, I not mix right. I say, all right, he might tell me this. But then when we get to realize it's the reason why it's like that is because the songs that he had, he never exposed it to me and I had no clue. So how I supposed to know where they mix or where the punchline is at? The man set me up wicked, man. So everybody saw that video and then they was looking at me like, yo, your selector is off. And that's the reason why I was off, to be honest to God. I mean, honest to God. Yeah, okay. So that's basically what happened.
Make I just ask some quick question now, because I just listen out to you. So, your wife told me this morning that when you go to deployment, you give Raven the money to cut the dub. So, but from 1995, maybe she gets something mixed up, because you said no, it's 19. It's not 95,
no.
right?
Okay, let me show. Okay. Yes, me and Raven, we had money transaction, seen, and certain things, you know, because certain things as far as, you know, just take my word for it. We cannot expose too much because we have court proceedings. Seen? Invoice songs, but I was also voicing songs also. So we did the dub voicing collectively. I think you know, I have a couple of 1 or 2 transactions where I send Raven money. In a 2005 for cartel, so you know. Okay. But what me I say is,
so it's more like 2005 and thing. It's not 95. So we just want to get it clear, because you know, you talk to your wife and she think it was like 95 come up, and you have thing with it and him ask. So just get it clear. That's
I want to be very clear, because everybody knows that Mega don't. I'm not gonna tell a lie. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, good. That him just asks, because him not say you don't spend the money. You don't spend the money, I think, but him want, because him don't get the money to this 2005.
Raven is the one that cut the first doublet for Culture Blend. See?
Okay.
Alright. Raven when we give Raven the sound, Raven is the one who, in a New Jersey, I said New Jersey, him is the one who kind of like put the name as a sound, a solid sound in a New Jersey, cause invoice dub plate.
Okay.
And when I come back, him show me the vibe there, and you know, we show me the vibe, and we will just start work together, but. So
can we understand it now fully? So if you and him in a this together, and then, because your wife did tell me 2095 from 95, and you deploy, you send money come straight, but you tell me now from in the 2000, in the 2005, 2000.
You know,
so him have it from there, because that wave and did I say now. So and then him cut the plate, you cut the plate. So what me just say now, if Uno put in the work and you wasn't there, and then him was there, and him had to feel part of work till they come back.
Right. But let me just make something clear. I want to make it clear, very clear. And them time there when Raven was playing the song in a New Jersey, I never said to Raven, say, the song belongs to you. I never give Raven the song. We did this collectively as...
but like both of you. So it never... Okay,
exactly.
Good. Okay.
Exactly.
So it must both of you. Okay.
Right.
So,
but like me say, fast forward to all of this, the thing is, the man won the thing for himself. And,
all right.
But, and that's how it goes.
Oh, no, but it can't work that way there. I mean, just talk to him. That's why I say
Yeah.
sometimes it's good when you're talking, because we know Raven them too, And we just talk to him and him and say, no, it's like you want it for yourself. But him not in a that, him say him don't in a that, Him not in a that, him don't want it for himself.
Wait, hear me out. I have more than one business, not just song system.
Okay.
See?
So what we want to do?
I swear, let me put this out there for everybody's listening. Mega is not trying to take the sound from Raven. You understand? Raven put in work. Respect
Okay, good.
Raven.
All right, good.
You understand? Him put in work. You know, as a bridge in them time there.
Wanna feel be better, yeah man. Wanna feel, yeah man. Work out something, man. Yeah man.
Right, but what me I say now? What me I say now? The reason why it has to be this way right now is because when Raven, the things what Raven did with the doublet situation where him trick King Road for Culture Blend, you understand? And when him try to take my name off of the doublets them, it seems to me that that's what he was trying to do initially. You understand?
Yeah, but no, all right, hear this now. Yeah, sometimes you have an ex-investor and you as his partner and the investor they just want what and he might have just talk to the investor where he never talk to you and bring you in and tell the investor say that and that. So maybe, but no, you see, you don't want to use that for a pint there. You don't want to work it out that the sound prosper now and everybody bear fruit and know what I want to good. Because I come from far. You see me I say?
But that was not the case. Raven won the thing for himself. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Because if that was the case when Raven had an interview, because I was approached by the same question, you know.
Yes.
And Raven said, this is what Raven, remember said me and Raven, we just had a falling out about one promotion. Me and Raven never had no personal problem. But when he first get his chance of an interview, he said that Mega is a fake and Mega is not part of Culture Blend, and Culture Blend belongs to him. And that's how the problem started.
Okay.
Right. He should have just loaded the question alone, or him should have said, yo, big up Mega, blah, 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 but Raven and do him thing. And everything with a nice.
So you name of yeah, but if you just work over them little talking there sometime, you know, this is sound and business. So it's a private thing, don't get.
But no, the thing is it got too messed up because
Raven
took a personal issue.
But he might tell me no, say I'm not take it personal and you are take it personal and you are saying I take it personal. So something will go along.
No, I'm talking initially, you know, how this whole thing started, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Initially, what Raven did didn't take a personal thing, meaning like, cause you know,
okay.
Raven's family, alright, I'm gonna let y'all know. Raven's family is friends to my family. We're friends. We grew up in the same room, kinda, you know, we're family, no family. You understand? So all of we are family and re-irritated, but when he took my personal family business and mix it in a sound and create a false allegation against me because of me and him having a problem with the sound and try and use that against me, me not read them thing there, brother.
Okay, so some personal thing different from the sound now go on. So you have to just work out that and leave them personal thing out of the sound.
Well, completely. It don't work out already.
Okay.
It already work out because we have a thing where in a court where none of that personal thing can talk about. Zero contact. You understand? We can't make them chat, but that's what I had to do to shut him up. Because if you listen, him say something about Mega call police and thing. Me never called police, you know what me did? Because he was taking my personal issue and mixing it with sound. Me have to take it the legal route because it was you understand? It's a personal thing where it can destroy somebody.
Okay.
But the thing is, what me I say is that never happened, and also it was that somebody was trying to mash up my character with people and try mash up everything me build through because of things with personal relationship. You understand? But Raven just take it up now and say a truth. But people gonna believe him because remember Raven close to me, you know. I'm a brethren that. So if my brethren I said this and that, so What is gonna happen now?
So we talk back to Raven and tell him them personal thing, they just ease out for the personal thing. Get the sound a go on. Uno just go on with the sound, uno try work out the things the better way that the whole of survive and uno alright. You understand?
Right. And the next thing too, you see the man, him act like say him not do nothing, like him not do nothing and really, but him are the one, are the aggressor towards this, you know. Remember, say Raven take it to social media, you know. Me never take it to social media, you know. And the next thing, him bringing my personal business so try discredit me, you know. Me never do
so
that.
It's a personal business cause for all of this then. It's a personal business that cause some and also him carry other people in my personal life. You understand? Okay.
So the thing is now where we stand right now with this, I can deal with Raven because it's business. I'm very business orientated. So if somebody attack me personally, I can deal with them business like.
You know what we like say? We like so no deal business like and just wanna work out anything and run it. Because it's better for the sound and better for us.
If you look at my paperwork, I already contact Raven 3 times. Not just 1, 3 times before all of this. I said, Raven, we need to sit down on the table and come to agreement. And even I contact a personal friend of his and mine to get us together. But Raven, he don't want to. He don't want to say. He don't want the truth to come out to say, okay, Raven, you're not. You know, you are not the owner. Okay, Mega the owner, but still, are you carry it a road? I'll give him that respect and say, Raven, go and do your thing. You understand?
But it is now. All right, for be honest and fair. You just say it took a while and the town dead there and you go upon deployment and then him dead there and him box and bill and thing. And me sit up to other sound man, you know. So me that tell it say, yeah, you know, him a part of that from it start for yeah, and him a go through with that thing there with that sound there. You know, me a musician man too, you know. So you know, so you have to just have a fair, honest heart.
Come on, man. If you listen to his interview, you see how him talk.
No, what must say with him interview, must say.
You know, he mixing. I mean, I'm sorry, in an interview, in my talk about how me not get booked. Yes, me get booked. When me get booked once a year, me get more
but here, when me I say no, here when me I say.
You understand? Him try to talk about my business, but.
No, but when me I tell him no, when me I tell you and tell him, if the sound itself are go on, you have some sound. If you even have a leg of sound and him have a leg of sound, as long as culture blend him a call, you are gonna get booked automatically anyway, you know. Because of the same sound. So if it go down, you're not gonna get nothing.
Here's the problem when on some. Here's the problem. The problem is when he do all of that, good. But when he goes on the radio station, he tried to exclude me. Look at every write-up. Look at every whatever. He don't give me my respect for what I have done. You cannot take a man credit. You cannot erase a man history from what a man has done.
Okay, so you not give me a credit.
Even when me I tell my story of Culture Blend,
you're giving me his credit.
Me have to give him respect.
Okay, so you want okay. So you want the credit when right past the board. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Officer, him can't live up Mega. And it's so funny, anytime he play dub plates and Culture Blend, the foundation, it have to say Mega.
Because I only see a way, that me I say. You see that? That me I say. So and both I wanna have dub plate. I wanna have the dub plate, I wanna have the sound, I wanna have the thing there.
We have dub plate.
We have
dub plate.
Yeah.
We have.
But anywhere we reach, I there's a Culture Blend I reach. Anywhere we reach, so if him pop down, you pop down.
So I want to tell the massive right now. I apologize to everybody that you know this is what is going on right now. But at the same time, I want everybody to know say a Culture Blend and one song.
All right. So I don't want it up there. I don't want it up there now.
Yeah.
Serve the people them out now. Wanna work out the thing, man. You understand? That's what we are talking about.
Don't look at Culture Blend and say on Mega side, okay, this is garbage. On Raven side, this is not the best side. No. And that's how it go. Culture Blend on one sound. And that what people need to know. It's not like the sound, me build a sound on one part and him build a sound one part, we come together and call it Culture Blend. And that's how it go.
No, one sound. So, okay. All right. All right.
You understand?
All
One
right.
route. And all we are trainees
Yeah.
in this business.
Yeah.
You understand? And we are trying
And on the family, our family same way. They call on
of course.
yeah, on that me I say, come on now. We got something, man. You understand?
Well, the man said already, because I already listened to his interview.
Yes.
You know, we're just going through the legal process of the trademark and the ownership. But once it happened on Megapod, I'm gonna tell you exactly how it's gonna go on Megapod, because whatever me say, me know I don't talk and me can be honest to God, because that's what God loves. If and when you understand this whole thing solved, at the end of the day, me, I still make Raven do what I do. Because me are the owner. You understand? Me not stop him, you know. I will not stop Raven. But the thing is that legally, what him do, him have to do, him have to give my respect for what I have done. And don't trick the people and say Mega is a selector. I'm just a selector, and I'm just somebody that spend money on the sound. No, Mega was more than that.
He's a co-founder of the sound, right?
Eh?
He's a co-founder. You and him, you bring him in and then you and you and him did
use
it.
the word co-founder, I know, honest to God now. I founded the sound.
Yeah.
And him come on the sound later, but him are the one who put it a road in the sound.
Yeah, so you know, sometimes when if him do all that.
In a business where when you use the word co-founder, it means that we
Him
come
help,
together
yeah.
and we name something. That never happened.
No, name something when you come together and build something.
Initially when you first started.
Yeah.
Initially it was just Mega and three other, one American and one Jamaican and one Guyanese. Initially. That are the founder of Culture Blend. Initially. You understand? But as far as me now with this whole situation where we advance to now, yes, I'll give Raven his respect to what he have done. I will not take nothing from him. And honest to God, I don't want to stop what Raven is doing. Only thing what Mega want are my respect for what I have done. You understand?
All right.
I respect what I have done because I work very hard. I bleach at night. I deal with artists. I spend money. I go up and down. Sometimes I take away money from my family. Now the thing go for Vice Song. We do certain things for culture. We love Culture Blend, you know. We love Culture Blend, you know. But the thing is, we cannot have one man claiming everything. No.
But that's it. One man must claim everything. It's wrong, yeah.
So, you know, I know I've seen some negative comments also by Shaggy about Mega. I want to tell Shaggy one thing. See? Shaggy, me never discredit you in anything that you're doing with culture. But me never I always big up Shaggy. I'm going to give Shaggy his rating from what he has done in the 1998 and him little money that he invested in the song.
He's an investor too. Yeah, okay.
No, I wouldn't call it investor, you know. I just use that word there, but what I say is he is also part of the song.
Okay.
And him voice tune too. Yes, Shaggy did that too.
Okay.
You know, we voice tune collectively.
Okay, that me have a lot of investor, you know, that even...
No, don't use the word investor. Investor is someone that come in and expect to get something out of it. This is more like a family thing where...
A family thing?
Yeah. You understand? So, so what I'm saying is that to Mr. Shaggy, I want you all to stop splitting up the sound like, okay, one is Mega, one is Raven. I want you to stop splitting the sound. It's one sound. Make we live like that. One sound.
Okay.
You understand?
All right. Get it straight out. Yeah, man. Get it straight out.
Bookings, I'm get my bookings, and we're doing this each other, which is great. But right now, the thing is that we just need to clear up the ownership part. Once that clear up, then we move forward and we just keep Culture Blend a road because that's what we want.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah, man, that's good.
Yeah, man, I hope they listening to me and they can look into it. And
yeah, when it comes to something, I make it work. And when
it's a personal situation, you know.
You want to keep that out of the spotlight. The personal situation will bother you. All right. So just keep that out of the music.
Solve the problem there.
Yes, man.
Now it's time to solve the business part.
Good. When you just work on the business part, I make the Culture Blend a beach sound and I go on with the road, yeah?
Yes, man.
All right, sir.
Thank you for the time.
All right, my brother. Respect. Bless. All right. Yeah, man. You see, when them come together and them build them thing and thing, you have to just, you know, encourage them. Just, them come from far. So it don't make no sense and it don't make no sense the sound park come from far. You talk about much years, more than 2 decades now. And then figure park it for, you know. Leave the personal thing out of it. Do the business part. Come together. Make the sound go and work. That lonesome me up here. Keep it real. Keep it honest. Lonesome. Me out.